Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have futuristic choices for you. Would you rather build your future luxury house? With amazing fun choices. But before we get started, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's dive in. First, choose your dream house. Which one feels like home? Next, let's head to the living room. Which setup looks so comfy you'd chill there all day? Now imagine your perfect bathroom. Which one are you stepping into every morning? Dinner time. Which dining table feels just right for your dream meals? Now step outside. Which garden would you call your own? Let's add some fun. Which playground would you play on forever? Here's a silly one. Pick the toilet design that makes you laugh or maybe just looks cool. Stitch, Hello Kitty, or Minions. Which theme massage chair are you going with? Time to rest. Which bunk bed looks the most relaxing to you? Now, make your backyard pop. Which swing would you pick for the perfect hangout spot? Let's throw a party. Which castle looks like a blast? Quick challenge. Comment your favorite character, your favorite food, or your favorite movie. Time for a cool down. Which inflatable pool would you jump into? Let's cozy up. Which armchair is calling your name? Coffee lovers, this one's for you. Which coffee machine brews the perfect cup? Let's set the table. Which plates make every meal feel like a celebration? Now head to your glam zone. Which closet would hold your favorite outfits and shiny things? Feel the beat. Which headphones match your mood and style? Time to take a dip. Which swimming pool would you dive into right now? Quick challenge. Can you spot different toothless hiding somewhere? Look closely. Found him? He was hiding right here. Let's get cuddly. Which stuffed animal are you taking home? Feel the rhythm. Which musical instrument would you love to play? Time for some kitchen dreams. Which kitchen island is the star of your cooking space? Movie night or game time? Which smart TV setup fits your vibe? Bubble time. Which bathtub is the one for you? Let's check the fridge. Which one is packed with your favorite snacks? Now build your dream shower. Which one feels just right? Lights, camera, popcorn. Which home theater setup wows you? Mini challenge. Will you like this video? Drop your favorite animal in the comments or subscribe for more fun. Time to pick your jacuzzi. Which design matches with your vibe? Level up. Which gaming space is your dream zone? Your furry friend needs a home. Which pet house is the cutest? Let's go for a ride. Which car would you zoom away in? Time to snuggle. Which pillow would you hug first? Take a seat. Which chair makes you feel like royalty? Gamers, are you ready? Which PS5 style setup is your dream console zone? Midnight snack ready. Which bedside table is holding yours? Let's pick your furry friend. Which one you want in your dream home? Climb your dreams. Which staircase takes you to the next level? Bookshelf style. Which one would you place in your room? Challenge for Stitch fans. Can you place Stitch in right spot so he could enjoy the dancing? How many clicks did it take? Comment down below. Light it up. Which lamp brightens your space the best? Swing time. Which second swing would you add to your backyard? Let's pick your study desk, where you seat for deep study sessions. Pick the flowers. Which ones make you smile? Feel the warmth. Which fireplace gives off the coziest vibes? Step outside. Which balcony view would you wake up to? Sparkle under your feet. Which flooring shines the brightest? Time to accessorize. Which handbag is your go-to? Game time. Which pool table would you play on? Reflection time. Which mirror adds magic to your room? Go for a ride. Which motorcycle would you take into the sunset? Time to unwind. Which bed makes you want to nap right now? Final choice. Focus up. Which home office is calling your name? That was amazing future luxury house adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.